Portia is a jumping spider. Nowhere seems beyond her reach. Portia is a spider-eating spider. This raises a few problems. Her lunch is 3 times her size, packed with venom and surrounded by a sticky trap. Portia is a genius. She can map her world in 3 dimensions and formulate a plan of attack. The web builder is blind. It won't have a clue that she's coming. Right on target. But a mind as active as Portia's can always do with more brain food. Here, there's no anchor point for the abseil. But Portia has another idea. Instead of going to the spider, she will bring the spider to her. She plucks the strands to imitate struggling prey, drawing the spider in to its death.